Cisco Packet Tracer is a tool which is the industrial lead. Cisco is a leader in the networking, like many companies are there. The tool Cisco Packet Tracer like this, which will help to simulate a environment of a networking, where how our home network is being established. Assume that in our home we are having a network. Already everybody is experiencing that for in the current situation. Wi-Fi connectivity is there, input data is coming, that may be through a cable, optical cable, then ONT, then connected with the router, then there is a router is a device. Okay, so which will have 3 layers as per the Wi-Fi up to network layer. With that perspective, actually we have to see that hardware. Then network IP address I can configure. Okay, how to configure? There is a control panel on that. With a lot careful, you can explore that also. How to reconfigure the IP addresses, which is assigned inside your home, no? We can configure according to our wish. You please explore that. So if I am there at my home, I am having the Wi-Fi router, but here I don't know what is the IP address. 10.1. Now I am using our college IP address. Just a minute. Just a minute. I will tell you about. Now I am using the college intranet IP address. If I click it, Wi-Fi now, so you can also access what is the IP address is assigned for me. I can get it. IP address. Just a minute. So I'm accessing amrita.net.edu. If you click that Wi-Fi properties, there we can see what IP address was assigned for my computer. If you see the properties here, you can see in the same way in your home also you can visualize this. Yeah, you see here IPv4 address. IPv4 DNS, this is called DNS server. 10.11.207.232. This is the IP address which is assigned by the router, which is available in a veranda. Hope everyone can understand. In our college veranda, you can see a Wi-Fi hotspot on the ceiling, which will cover the 3 classrooms. That router, it is equivalent to the router which is available in our home as a OFC cable based the ISP, no internet connectivity we are getting. Assume this IP address 10.11.207.232. If I type it here, 232 is assigned for me. If I am giving the number, (10.11.207.1). In that series, normally the first number, number .1, will be allocated for that particular router IP address in general. If we give that, now I can access that router. I think it is loading. Okay. Maybe it may have some other IP address. By giving the proper IP address here, I can access the router control panel. If I can access the router's control panel, I can go into the router control panel, then whatever things I want, I can do that. All of you please start doing at your home with a lot of care, because by mistake, if you are changing any configuration inside, that may lead the disconnection of the internet on your system. So then you may require some support. Before that, you just will explore. Why I am saying is that In day-to-day life, many networking elements we are using at home, at professional office, in personal, that's called a home environment, and on the mobile also. If you want to create a scene, create the environment of multiple networking elements in our analysis, for analysis, analytical purpose, to analyze. A cell phone is sending a data from one point to the another point. There is a router. If the data is moving from the cell phone to the router, from the router it is going to follow or implement some routing algorithm, which is written either in a Python language or any other language. Then it will communicate, it will decide the pathway according to that. So if you want to do a simulation of that, simulation means it's a duplication. In real time, how it is going to happen, the same thing we can simulate it by using this. So the Cisco Packet Tracer is one of the good tool, which is very helpful. Why actually I'm asking all of you to choose this tool is that if you complete any task by using this tool, then you will be ready for attending any interview, especially for a Cisco networking. The students, those who have joined in the networking academy, they will also do at the end of the course by some small projects by using the Cisco Network Packet Tracer. So I want to give that feel to everybody. At the end of the course, if you are completing some assignments with some novelty, so that novelty will give you the additional search for everybody. For a basic search, I gave a complete information to everyone. So that information only is available on the this part. You see here, after downloading and installing the software, no, you will have a arrangements like this. Just I'll give you one glance over here. You see, the topology of a secure campus network. Okay, inside a college campus, how the networking is being established. So that logic is implemented here. So the people, those who are choosing this particular paper as your term project, what you have to do is you can recreate the same work because already things are available. What the people have done already, we can redo it because it's redoable. Things are available. Okay, if you are having any doubt in understanding, no, you can directly come down at the end. There are references. Just I'm giving a glance. Okay, how to look into a simple paper which is already available. Articles are available. So the Pandey, the Modern Network Security and International Journal of Engineering, like that many papers are, you can see, no? If required, you can follow everything. Have a look on this. Yeah, this is the one reference article I have taken. And how they have done implementation inside a college. They have simulated the total environment like this. Finally, it will be like this. You see, there is a router. So finally, our course must give you the practical aspect of that. That only you are going to do that. So parallelly, you can start learning about all those. I will also start giving a feed about this one whenever as per the slot comes. Then lot of the multiple tracks will be there on learning one particular task of the computer networks. So that's the idea. So there will be a unsynced version and synced version of the discussions also will be there. You start things of learning things by your own. Things are available on the net lot. I need not to give a lot about here. I am very keen on what novelty you are going to give in this. That's the idea. Most probably in the next week, I will try to give some demonstration on this tool, and another tool is called NS3, Network Simulator 3. In these two tools, how to work, I won't give much about this, how to use the tool, what chances are there, how to explore more on that, what are the experiments implemented, how it works, like this. Rest of the things you can start learning. Since already you know the Python program, already I gave the task to all of you directly. So the next, the first 3 experiments will be on Python. The next week, after the 3 experiments, we will have 2 or 3 experiments on Network Simulator 3. Then afterwards, I supposed to give the another experiment on Cisco Packet Tracer. So instead of giving a Cisco Packet Tracer as a 2 or 3 experiments separately, so this term project was given to all of you as a one of the experiments, but you need a time to do all those things. That's why it was considered as a term project. So throughout the semester, you can start work on this. That's the idea. So you can see the simulation window like this inside the Cisco Packet Tracer tool. You can configure, for example, router. Okay, there will be one symbol named as a router. Okay, you keep the router over there, one computer, PC1, PC2 like that. You can drag and drop. Okay. If you want to make a connection between this tool and this tool, yes, there will be a connectivity through a software cable. Okay. What is the data rate you want to confine with this? What is the configuration of this one? That also you can decide. Is it a 1 Gbps or 10 Gbps type? Everything we can configure by everyone. There is a property window for each and every one. Then it's a wired connectivity. After that, there is a wireless switch. It's called a wireless Wi-Fi switch. That also we can configure. So in our lab, no, inside, this is the way the topology network they have made it. You see how it is connected, how it is connected, how it is connected. By doing this, no, we will come to know the complete picture about what is happening in a networking. That's all. This is final take home. So assume that this is a building 1. You see, there is a building 1, there is a building 3, this is building 2, I think, 4. In a building 1, there are computers 1, 2, 3. Assume this is a computer lab 1. One switch is there. This is switch. Okay. And there is another lab. Okay, another switch is there. All are connected, interconnected. Then from the building, in our academic block 2 to academic block 3, how everyone will get connected? There is a router. With the router symbol, you can see the differently. Router, that it's maybe the wired or wireless, whatever it may be. So this is the way one complete networking is being established inside a college campus. So one example was taken to understand this. Designing a secure campus network and simulating it using a Cisco packet tracer. You please explore this. You see, the F4 routers they have used, the name of the router is called Cisco 8211. Whenever you see Cisco 8211, you must go on see what is the specification of this. By seeing it's Cisco, type like this, specification 8211. Then you will come to know Cisco DSAN 8211 installation guide. You can see that what is the data sheet for that. It's a router. So as a network engineer, you must be aware of, yes, something in theoretically, that is fine, that I will take care, don't worry. That's my responsibility of giving the knowledge base about, yes, how it works and all those. But I can give only the how to do a swimming. But if you want to get an experience of the swimming, you have to dive into the swimming pool. That's the thing. I am giving all these assignments to everyone. So if you explore this data sheet, you can see complete information. This is the way you have to explore. That's why I am showing all those content. We must be aware, oh, these many things are there. What is this? What is this? Okay, interfaces USB 2 is there. 802. What is the standard it's following? 802.3.AF, 802.11. What is a RAM internal structure? Like all those things. You please look into that. Now I'm coming back to the paper. 9 switches are there. Totally how many switches are needed? Like this, we can also create our own environment inside our college or at your home. From some of your friends are there, no? Here, for example, some students are there in Chennai, assume. In Chennai, 4 or 5 different regions. Okay, how you want to make a connectivity between your home to the other location? Is specifically how the communication is happening. That you can simulate it here. That's the way. If possible, you do it after simulating the same thing. If possible, connect with the reality part of this, in real time, because now the good the environment what we have is everybody got connected through networking elements. But if all of you are here inside a campus, we won't get that chance. Now, because of this, the current situation, we got a chance to connect through a networking elements. So whatever things we learn in our course, everything we can implement it. Yeah, you keep that in mind. Okay, there is one wireless router, 9 switches, 1 server, access point, 17 PCs. So these many things they have used. If you come to our college campus, these many devices are there. At least by coming across this particular article, no, then everybody will come to know, okay, these many devices are needed to make a successful network connectivity. Okay, this is called a server. How to configure the server? If you see, what is the meaning of interface, what interface is used, server address, IP address, DNS server, you please look into that. We will be discussing theoretically through the PPT which was prepared. No, from that we will understand. Connectivity. First you will get a confusion. Yes. Why it is not working? What is the meaning of that? At least you must get something in your mind. For that we have to cross certain things, then only you will get it. So then virtual LAN. So LAN, local area network. There is a concept is called VLAN, virtual LAN. The switching logic. Yes. Like this, after configuring everything, no, once it is done in the environment of Cisco Packet Tracer module, what logic you have implemented. For example, you have connected with the 15 computers. Each computer has the IP address of 192.168.1.1, first number. Second number 1.2, 1.3, like 15 computers are there. If you assign some IP address for each node, that can be connected in real time. If you are going into the lab, how will you access from one computer to the other computer? Through a ping command, we can check it whether it is connected or not. Like that, through this command prompt, which is already available, CLI, it's called command line interface. Through the command line interface, we can access the all the computers which we have configured by our own. So that's the point which I want to convey. Router security, switch security configuration. Please don't worry. If you dive into this, then you will come to know. Just I am for an example, I have taken this paper, one paper like this. I have taken another paper also. CC. So in the resources, second one, simulation analysis of a smart home architecture. You see, smart home architecture. What is there inside? smart home. How to convert our home into a smart home? What are the facilities are there at home? How everything can be connected? They have made a simple simulation part for that. You see? Okay, it's made in a lawn. There is a sprinkler and water level monitor at home. You just will imagine, yes, you are having your own dream house or a currently existing house. Wherever you face a problem, if any automation is there, then it will be good if you feel like that. If you want to incorporate at your home, you try that like this. Okay, by how to test it, will it work or not in real time when I am going for? Yes, we can design very nicely by using the tool. You see, fan, switches, every equipments at home can be connected. Yeah, so this article is actually gives about this. Yes, this is it's very simple way of experimentations was done in a simulation. You can have a look on this. So something was published in a journal. You are going to use that work as assignment. Okay. So then if you want to publish something like this, no, hereafter, it should be away. It should be beyond this particular content which is published over here. You have to think in that way if you are really into that. For that, some innovations required. What problem you are going to solve through that module? The investigation of the inter VLAN routing and deploying the access control list for the corporate network. Okay, in a corporate network, how it is established, what all the issues are there. So according to the paper, so whenever you see any paper, article which is given to you, please have a look. This is written by BTech ECE, VIT University, Vellore, with one BTech student combined with faculty of VIT. They've written this. You see here, just a minute. Any article, if you want to read it completely, don't go through fully. First you read an abstract. The abstract will give you the essence of the total work what they have done. Then you'll come here at the bottom of the conclusion, in the conclusion side. In the conclusion, okay, how much they have implemented and what is the final result which they have obtained. If you see the first and last one, then you will come to know, yes, the complete idea about, okay, this is the way they have done implementation. Everything you will get it. So, and to get some internal reference information, by following these particular references, you will get a complete information. Okay. It may be at present at this age you may feel that the lot of things are the study and all those things. Don't worry. So this is the work done by other set of team members like that team. In our batch also the team members are here. You are not a single core. It's a 4-core quad core. Yeah, quad core processor. 4 members are there, and 5 members are there in your team. Pentacore. So all together you can start discussing of this one. Okay. So like this, I have uploaded around 17 paper articles. So this is set 1. So before tonight I will send the another set 2. That will have a module. I will try to give some more module on NS3. If I found is meaningful materials. Network Simulator 3. So, using these two, any one article, the students have to select as a team, as a term project. So, already I have told about what are the things you have to submit as the term project, term 1. I'm sorry, this is the for CMCS, the answer T. CC. So all of you have to prepare your article based on the following template. So this is the template. I think already I have told it. So you have to prepare a title, objectives, deliverables. Finally, what actually you are going to deliver. Very, very important point is that novelties and the overall block diagram, timeline, and conclusion, and some of the references. The term project template. Okay. So all of you can start thinking, and this term project. Okay, for a week. So before, like how you have submitted today's experiment, no? I think you have submitted before yesterday night, 11 o'clock, like that. I will give you the timing. When you are coming for the next week, all of you can submit your, as a team, you can submit with team number. I will add 0. So this will give you the idea on, so at the end of the term project, no, everyone will get a good experience about I am sharing the content on the chat. So everyone, you can start doing the work based on the topic given. Now individual teams are responsible to prepare. I requested the Divya, Ms. Divya. So have you prepared a web page by discussing with the other team, the final year student? Divya?
No, sir, not yet.
Yeah, you please contact today. You can get the web form. That same form, you can use it for our class also. Yes, ma'am? So what the student have to give, so you can choose the topic, any one of the topic, as per the content given, no? Then you can circulate that form to the students. So a team 1, for example, team 1, if it is coming now, they have to choose the team 1, okay? Then how many articles are there? That title, you can keep it as a separate content. Once one team they have selected, that same content won't be visible to others. So the others, they will get a clarity that yes, oh, they will, okay, this topic was already selected by somebody else, like that. So those who are selecting first, they will get a chance. So you prepare the web form. It is your job will be easy for. Is it clear, Ms. Divya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So this is all about for today's the term project part. Next, what all you have submitted. Just I will take today only. All you have submitted. Some team members they faced the problem. I will look into it just a minute. Please hold on. Submission. Who submitted first? August 13th. August 13th. Divya. I think Divya has submitted. The representatives submitted first. The next Samyukta, Arun Joswa, Anuj Kaushik. Now I am seeing the experiment number 1, team number 6. Assignment number 1. Okay, totally team 12 teams are there. Team number 10. Team number 10. Who are the members? Miss Divya?
1 second.
Nice. Team number 10, you can start sharing your screen and you show me the demonstration of the work what you have done. Team
Sir,
10 is present, huh?
Sir, we need to screen share the code, sir.
Yes. You have submitted report. That means what?
Yes, sir.
You have completed the work. Yes. Sudhir.
So,
Yeah, Sudhir and team.
1 minute.
Yeah. Okay. Sudhir, your roll number? Sudhir.
Sir, 28, sir. 28, sir.
28. Yeah, you can start sharing the screen and you can explain what you have done. Mr. Sudhir.
Sir, sir, you need to enable me as presenter, sir.
Yes, you please vote. Okay, I have to enable you to as a presenter. Just a minute. Meeting option. Just a minute. Yeah, now you can present. Mr. Sudhir? Yeah.
Sorry, sir. Sir, are you able to see the screen, sir?
Yes.
Sir,
Yes,
actually, sir, we developed a server client communication using TCP and UDP, sir. Actually, we have done. Actually, we have developed a simple program, sir. Like, if we type Amruta in the socket
Hmm.
in small caps, in small letters.
Hmm.
In output, we can see it as in capital letters, sir. Sir, actually,
You have created a server and client, is it?
yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay. First you explain server, then you can go for the other team member of anyone can.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, like in server, actually, sir, a server actually you need to build up the communication with the client. It uses a bind, sir, bind function.
Sudhir, you
Okay.
are having you are showing something import socket. What is that?
Sir, imports,
So
sir,
I'm
port
requesting.
number, sir.
Yeah, I'm requesting the screen, your access screen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is this import socket?
Sir, actually, socket mean it is the communication. It is the bond between a server and client, sir. Like,
That is fine. What is the meaning of import?
so I'm importing that library from the Python, sir.
Oh. So already things are available in that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
From
Yes, sir.
are you aware of that? From where actually it is being accessed?
So, like, actually, I have used Jupyter Notebook.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. See, when you go for a Jupyter notebook, no, the
Yes,
Jupyter
sir.
notebook, it may have this information about socket. It may keep library files in somewhere. Is it possible to access that file? You must be aware. Okay, now you proceed. Yeah. IP.
Sir, this is the IP address of the client support number, and then I imported the actually I created the TCP, sir. TCP server, sir. Actually, here, uh, sock.
What is the meaning of that? Socket dot socket of something, socket dot AF underscore INET. What is the meaning of this? Yeah, Sudhir, your voice is not clear. Yeah.
1 second. Sir, 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 actually, like I'm actually I'm creating the socket, sir, and then I am using the TCP, sir. TCP here I need to use sock stream, sir, for TCP.
Yeah, understood. Sudhir, actually,
Sir,
you need to have a lot of understanding. See,
sir,
I gave a complete material how to create and everything. So why it's called a reverse engineering. Something is there existing, but how they have created, you have to do the reverse engineering. So for that, you must learn lot of things. So now how I am asking now, what is the meaning of
sir.
socket? Okay, inside a socket, how many functions are there? If I am asking, you must be aware.
Okay.
So as a programmer perspective, you must be aware of all those things. Okay, then the client address server.accept. What is the meaning of accept?
Sir, accept function mean it accepts the communication from the server, sir, from the client, sir, using the IP address and port number, sir. And then by using the listen function, it listen to the requests of the client, sir, and bind to that client and listen to it. Actually, I have typed the Amruta in the client now, sir. It listen to it and convert it to the upper to the caps, sir, using upper
Okay, so
functions, sir.
there it is time up, not a problem. I understood. But the problem is the way how actually the content is being expressed, it won't be sufficient. So anyhow, it is the first time we all are interacting like this. It's okay, good. From the next class onwards, I will ask any one batches randomly before the end of the next experiment. No, every day I will call any one batch to give some explanations about what they have done, what they learned like this in front of everybody. So during that time, I will give some input. That input everyone can get it. That's why I made it like that for 2-3 minutes to maximum 5 minutes, not more than that. Is that okay to all of you? So all of you, please be ready to show a demonstration of the work, how I have asked the questions. You just will, each and every statement, you must be aware. If I am asking some function, if you have used some function, okay, where that function is available on your computer, you must be aware. If you want to make some changes on that already pre-built function, without knowing where it is located on your computer, how can you utilize it? No. So for that, physically where it is there, you must be aware. what is the inside that function, what are the function body is there, what is written inside, logic behind everything we must be aware. So that this is the way actually we are going to learn it on the first experiment part. So meanwhile you can do a parallel the term project selection, submit all things before coming Sunday. So the set 2 will be uploaded soon to all of you. I will intimate. I have made arrangements in the settings after uploading the content into the AUMS. I have enabled the option of getting a notification by the students. Have you received it or not? Anybody? Please check our college email ID, official email ID. All of you, please always keep on watching that some updates may come at any time. Yeah. So with this, I will stop for today's session. I'll give you the attendance. Are you getting, Divya?